maybe you just have a straight hair and you never can wear a braid and there's a loss and you want to have a natural full weave, it has like a flexible elastic, so this is amazing to work with. It's crocheted in the base and it's full head, so we have it for full head. Pretty much doesn't take time. Actually the full head take hour and a half, and this has some long lasting look for me because of the elastic, and the elastic is very flexible. It's not something harsh. It's easy for your scalp. How you like your hair today?
I love it.
Amazing. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for listening. This isn't going, eh?